Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a consistent character in Midjourney. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So first I'm going to create a character first. To do that, let's write down /imagine command and then let's name our character. So I'm going to name my character as Eden Hudson. And then let's give her some physical attributes like beautiful woman, and let's say with braided yellow hair, and let's say green eyes, and let's hit enter to create our initial character. And here's our character, and I really like this one. So now what I'm going to do is I just simply click on U3 to upscale the third image, and here's our upscaled image. And now I'm going to simply click on this like emoji, and then I'm going to click on more, and here go over add reaction and click on view more, and here write down envelope and select the first one, and Midjourney bot sends you a direct message. And now I'm going to write down /imagine again and paste my initial prompts here, and then I go over the private messages, and here I just copy this seed number and go back to chat, and then just type down --seed and paste the number that we copied and hit enter once again. And here's our second image. Here I really like the fourth one, so let's click on U4, and here's our second upscaled image, and I'm going to repeat the same process. So I just simply click on this like button and then click on more and select the envelope, and here type down /imagine and hit enter, and then I'm going to copy my initial prompt again and paste it into here, and then I go over to direct messages and copy the seed number that Midjourney bot sent it to me, and I go back to here and type down --seed and paste the seed number here, and I just simply hit enter once again. So you need to rinse and repeat this process like over 10 times to get a better result. So I just skip into that part, so you don't need to wait for me to do all that work. So I repeat the same process over 15 times, and this is our finalized character. And now for the last time I'm going to click on this more button and click on this envelope icon, and then I'm going to write down /imagine and copy this initial prompt and paste it into here. So let's go to our direct messages and copy this seed value and go back to our server and paste our seed number here, and let's add something different. Let's say wearing a knight's armor, and let's hit enter. So this is our image. So let me show you another example. I'm going to write down /imagine and paste this prompt into here. Remember, we are going to use the exact seed number from now on, so make sure you note that down somewhere. So I'm going to change only the final part. Let's say call girl hat, and this is our second image. So let me put them side by side, and as you can see there are some resemblance between the two images, and more you repeat this process, you will more likely to get more resemblance between your images. But that's basically how to create a consistent character in Midjourney. And remember, you need to use the final seed number and your initial prompt in your future generations, but that's basically it. And if you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.